Hi, hello viewers, welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. In this video, I like to share with you a very easy, tasty after school snack, baked sweet potato fries. For this recipe, I have taken two medium-sized sweet potatoes. First, I peeled these sweet potatoes, thoroughly washed and patted it dry completely, and then I have cut it into long pieces like this, about 1/4 inch size. And I've taken it into a mixing bowl, and added salt to taste, some ground black pepper to taste, and some chili powder to taste. You can increase or decrease the quantity of chili powder as per your preference, and some ground cumin powder, and about a teaspoon of dried basil leaves. And 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour, and drizzle 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Now the reason I'm adding cornstarch here is that it gives good crispiness to the sweet potatoes fries on the outside. And the best part about baked sweet potato fries is that you don't need to soak in the sweet potatoes in hot or cold water. Now bake them at a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for a total time of 25 minutes. First bake them for 15 minutes, and halfway through flip them over with a spatula and bake them further for 10 more minutes. Here you go, yummy baked sweet potato fries ready to be served. This can be eaten as a snack or can be added as an accompaniment for your lunch or dinner. Do try these easy baked sweet potato fries at home and let me know how you liked it. If you liked my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also, don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new recipe and a new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.